Do you ever feel like you are different versions of yourself in different places? कि आप ऑफिस में कुछ और हो, फैमिली के साथ कुछ और हो, फ्रेंड्स के साथ एक बिल्कुल अलग वर्जन। तो इस सब में आपका असली वर्जन कौन सा है? हम सब लाइफ में मल्टीपल रोल्स प्ले करते हैं। अ डॉटर, सन, फादर, एम्प्लॉय, फ्रेंड, office worker, and all these roles come together to form who we are. So, identity and roles are two different things, very closely related, but forming an integral part of who we are. Hi, my name is Nayantara. I'm a psychologist and counselor, and I'm here to help you on your journey in understanding yourself better. Welcome to the third video of our series on self awareness. Identity is not something that is fixed. It evolves with time. It adds on. Some psychologists believe that our identity formation starts from the age of 12 onwards. और हमारी identity धीरे धीरे develop होती जाती है. It changes with time, it changes with experiences and the things that are happening around us. From our core identity flow out the roles that we are part of. For example, I'll help you understand this like this. This is our identity, it's who we are. And then out of that flow sides of ourselves that are involved in different roles. Let's understand identity and roles better through an example of an imaginary person called Ankita. This is Ankita, and she is a project manager. That's her first role. At work, she's expected to be organized, confident, handle all the deadlines carefully. Ankita is also a daughter. She has aging parents who need her attention. Being a single child, she needs to take care of them and she needs to manage everything that they need. Ankita also plays the role of a friend who is fun-loving, who is very attentive towards her friends. She shares a lot and they share it back, and all this together form Ankita's identity. Her identity flows out of this, who is at the core a caring, a very empathetic, a very fun-loving person. Most aspects of her identity flow into the different roles that she takes care of, and those roles in turn also impact her identity. If there is a free flow or if there is smooth interaction between Ankita's identity and her roles, it's smooth. Identity is something that is dynamic and it changes according to the situation that we need to be in. It adapts to the roles that we need to take care of. And if there is no conflict, सब smooth चलता है. But अगर कभी कभी एक conflict होता है, that maybe she's playing a role for which she has to be someone who's not. Maybe her workplace requires her to be aggressive and to be very hard on people, and she's not able to take that because that is not part of her core identity. Then there will be a role conflict. Roles are what we perform in the outside world, and identity is what we feel inside. And if our roles are not authentic to our identity, we often feel the stress of a role conflict. In such a situation, a person like Ankita will start feeling, I don't belong to this role. This is not who I am. It conflicts with my identity. I have to be harsh on people. मुझे उनको rudely मुझे उनसे बात करनी पड़ती है. मुझे बहुत aggressive होना पड़ता है. This is not my identity. I can't do this. That is one way Ankita might look at it or feel that conflict. वो उसे कैसे रिजॉल्व करती है वो काफ़ी चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करता है, which we'll take a look at right at the end. Let's look at a couple of theories that might help you understand a little better on role and identity. The first is by a very famous psychologist called Erik Erikson. और एरिक्सन का ये कहना था कि हमारी जो आइडेंटिटी है वो 12 से 18 की एज के बीच में सॉलिडिफाई होती है या फॉर्म होती है. इस दौरान हम बहुत सारे डिफरेंट रोल्स ट्राई करते हैं. बहुत सारे बिलीफ सिस्टम्स, वैल्यूज, हमारे रोल्स, ये सब एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं एंड दे कम टुगेदर टू फॉर्म अ मोर स्टेबल सेंस ऑफ आवरसेल्फ. दिस पीरियड अलाउज द कमिटिंग टू एन आइडेंटिटी. जो एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन है इसमें ज़रूरत है सो दैट students can actually figure out who they want to be after this. But if this process is successful, they come to the conclusion of who they are and understand themselves well. But अगर ये unsuccessful हुआ So individuals experience what is called a role confusion, which means an unclear or very unstable sense of who they are. और ये रोल कन्फ्यूजन जो है वो आगे जाके उनकी लाइफ को इम्पैक्ट कर सकता है. इसका मतलब उनके लेटर स्टेजेस जो है उसमें वो डिफ़िकल्टी फील कर सकते हैं टू फॉर्म क्लोज रिलेशनशिप्स विद अदर्स. दे माइट एक्सपीरियंस सोशल विड्रॉल या फिर इनसिक्योरिटी या एंग्जाइटी, और कई बारी उनकी जो ग्रोथ और फुलफिलमेंट है वो भी इम्पैक्ट हो जाती है. द सेकेंड थियोरी इज अगेन गिवन बाय अ वेरी वेल रिनाउंड साइकोलॉजिस्ट कॉल्ड हेनरी ताजफेल. इनकी जो थियोरी है वो है सोशल आइडेंटिटी थियोरी. इसका मतलब है हमारी जितनी आइडेंटिटी हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं वो हमारे डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स के एसोसिएशन से अटैच्ड होते हैं, जैसे कि हमारा जेंडर, रिलीजन, प्रोफेशन, लैंग्वेज, रीजन और इवन आवर सिटीजनशिप. सो आई एम एन इंडियन, आई बिलोंग टू दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेट, मेरी ये लैंग्वेज है, मेरा ये प्रोफेशन है, मेरा ये रिलीजन है. उन सारी चीज़ों से हमारी एक आइडेंटिटी बन के आती है एंड ऑल ऑफ इट इज पार्ट ऑफ हु वी आर. पर कभी कभी ये सोशल आइडेंटिटीज कॉन्फ्लिक्ट भी कर जाती. इमेजिन अ यंग इंडियन मॉडर्न वुमन हु वर्क्स इन अ टियर 1 सिटी और वो वहाँ पे बहुत प्रोग्रेस कर रही है अपने काम में. शी इज द बॉस, पीपल लिसन टू हर, बट शी मे कम फ्रॉम अ सोसाइटी or a region which is very conservative, and there women are not expected to be going out and working or to even step outside their homes, और वो बहुत ही मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी हो सकती है. फॉर सच अ वुमन बोथ दीज आइडेंटिटीज कि मैं कहाँ से आती हूँ, मेरी कौन सी कम्युनिटी है और मैं क्या करती हूँ, इसमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो सकता है. कुछ लोग इस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को बहुत अच्छी तरह रिजॉल्व कर लेते हैं. They are able to figure out what these different identities mean, how they need to navigate them, किस आइडेंटिटी को कैसे मैनेज करना है या फिर हर आइडेंटिटी की क्या लिमिटेशंस हैं और ओवरऑल इनकी ग्रोथ कैसे हुई है. और इट कुड बी that it creates so much conflict that this person will not be able to manage both. So how we navigate these conflicts between our identities sometimes is part of adulthood. Let's do one practical exercise. This is called the identity map. Identity map में आप बीच में लिखो me and then write all the roles that you are a part of. Whether you are a doctor, whether you are a daughter, a wife, a mother, different roles. Similarly, for a man, it could be other different things that they are a part of. Write all of these. Now, under each role, you can write about who I am in this role. How do I behave in this role? What are the expectations others have from me? What do I expect from myself in this role? Some of the questions that you could reflect on is कहीं कोई मेरे roles conflict तो नहीं कर रहे? क्या कोई ऐसे roles हैं जो मुझे completely drain out कर देते हैं या जिसमें मैं grow नहीं हो पा रही हूँ? कोई ऐसा है जिसमें मैं self जो मेरा है वो छुपा लेती हूँ, मैं एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाती हूँ और आई फील जज्ड, आई डोंट फील वेलकम टू बी माई सेल्फ. दिस सिंपल एक्सरसाइज कैन हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड हु आर दीज मल्टीपल सेल्व्स दैट यू हैव टू प्ले, और ये कैसे इंटीग्रेट हो रहे हैं, कैसे मैं इनको एक्सेप्ट कर रही हूँ और कहाँ इनमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट निकल के आ रहा है. इफ वी गो बैक टू आवर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अंकिता. अंकिता जिसके बारे में हमने बोला था कि अंकिता एक इमेजिनरी हमारी कैंडिडेट है, वो एक प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर है, वो एक डॉटर है और एक फ्रेंड है. हमने कहा था सपोजिंग उसके प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर के रोल में एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आता है in which she is supposed to be aggressive and harsh towards others or be a really tough taskmaster, but she feels very uncomfortable क्योंकि उसको लगता है this is not part of my personality, it's not my identity, doesn't express who I am. So what would Ankita do? Well, of course there are several possibilities and I would love to hear what you have to say about it as well. So please do comment in the section below. But here is one way in which Ankita could resolve this. Maybe Ankita could decide to take a different path and not be aggressive. वो कुछ ट्रेनिंग कोर्सेज ले सकती है जिससे वो लीडरशिप के डिफरेंट स्टाइल सीख सकती है. How can she get her team to be effective without being harsh on them? How can she learn to get the best product out without having to be very aggressive towards them, but rather be assertive. बहुत सारी ऐसी communication techniques अंकिता सीख सकती है जिसकी वजह से उसको चिल्ला के एक खड़ूस बॉस ना बनना पड़े, बल्कि वो एक caring, empathetic पर एक बहुत ही assertive बॉस हो सकती है, जिसकी वजह से her team does really well and she doesn't have to be somebody whom she is not. On the other hand, of course, Ankita could also quit her job. But then we also know that in reality, we can't always quit and move away from the different roles that we've been given. कभी कभी हमारे पास ऐसा कोई option नहीं होता. So our solutions have to come out in that particular environment itself. So the next time you feel, I feel like I'm not myself or I'm too many different people in different places, well, remember you're not being fake. You are trying to exercise different roles that you are part of, but you have to be true to your identity as well. Identity, of course, as we said, it's not fixed. It's like a river. It flows, it bends, it changes, but it stays you. So there are parts of it that will transform over time. There are some parts that have to be different for a short while, but the core of it has to be you. बस आपको अपने roles के बीच में और अपने outcomes के बीच में एक resolution बना के रखना है. जहाँ conflict arise होता है, please address it, because conflicts over a long period of time create a lot of stress and anxiety and make it very difficult for us to function smoothly. If you like this video, do click the like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with a couple of friends. Do comment in the section below if there are things you'd love to hear more about, what helped you, what didn't help you, other things that you'd love to learn about. Thanks so much for watching the whole video.